Hey guys, welcome back. Now for this video, I'm going to show you how to record audio on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just search up voice memos. Once that's opened, you simply need to tap on the red icon right here to record your voice or anything. So just tap on it. And once that's done, it will pop up right here, and you could change its name just by tapping on it. Tap on test. Once you're done, just go back, and now you have your voice right here. You can also share it, copy it, you could edit the recording just like so. So you could crop it to your liking. Once you're done, just tap on save right here. And that's basically it, guys. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next.